1. Which of the following is the pacemaker of the heart? A. AV node. B. SA node. C. Bundle of His. D. Purkinje fibers. Answer. B. SA node. 2. The largest artery in the human body is the A. Pulmonary artery. B. Coronary artery. C. Aorta. D. Carotid artery. Answer. C. Aorta. 3. Which valve prevents backflow of blood from the left ventricle to the left atrium? A. Tricuspid valve. B. Pulmonary valve. C. Bicuspid, mitral valve. D. Aortic valve. Answer. C. Bicuspid, mitral valve. 4. Which type of muscle is found in the heart? A. Skeletal muscle. B. Smooth muscle. C. Cardiac muscle. D. Voluntary muscle. Answer. C. Cardiac muscle. 5. Which mineral is essential for muscle contraction? A. Iron. B. Sodium. C. Calcium. D. Potassium. Answer. C. Calcium. 6. Which blood vessels carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? A. Pulmonary artery. B. Pulmonary vein. C. Aorta. D. Vena cava. Answer. B. Pulmonary vein. 7. The muscle responsible for breathing is the A. Diaphragm. B. Intercostal muscles. C. Biceps. D. Trapezius. Answer. A. Diaphragm. 8. The functional unit of a muscle fiber is called A. Myofibril. B. Sarcomere. C. Actin. D. Myosin. Answer. B. Sarcomere. 9. Which of the following controls the heart rate? A. Cerebellum. B. Medulla oblongata. C. Hypothalamus. D. Pons. Answer. B. Medulla oblongata. 10. The oxygen-carrying protein in red blood cells is A. Myoglobin. B. Hemoglobin. C. Albumin. D. Fibrinogen. Answer. B. Hemoglobin. 11. The heart is enclosed in a protective sac called A. Peritoneum. B. Pericardium. C. Pleura. D. Meninges. Answer. B. Pericardium. 12. Which muscle type is involuntary and found in internal organs? A. Skeletal. B. Cardiac. C. Smooth. D. Voluntary. Answer. C. Smooth. 13. The valve located between the right atrium and right ventricle is called A. Pulmonary valve. B. Tricuspid valve. C. Mitral valve. D. Aortic valve. Answer. B. Tricuspid valve. 14. Which protein filaments are involved in muscle contraction? A. Collagen and elastin. B. Actin and myosin. C. Keratin and collagen. D. Myosin and keratin. Answer. B. Actin and myosin. 15. What is the normal resting heart rate in adults? A. 40 to 60 bpm. B. 60 to 100 bpm. C. 100 to 120 bpm. D. 120 to 150 bpm. Answer. B. 60 to 100 bpm. 16. The term cardiac output refers to A. Volume of blood pumped by the heart per minute. B. Blood pressure in the arteries. C. The speed of the heartbeat. D. The number of heartbeats per minute. Answer. A. Volume of blood pumped by the heart per minute. 17. Which of the following is not a function of the muscular system? A. Movement of body parts. B. Production of heat. C. Transmission of nerve impulses. D. Maintaining posture. Answer. C. Transmission of nerve impulses. 18. The blue coloration of skin due to lack of oxygen is called A. Cyanosis. B. Jaundice. C. Pallor. D. Erythema. Answer. A. Cyanosis. 19. Which structure connects muscle to bone? A. Ligament. B. Tendon. C. Cartilage. D. Fascia. Answer. B. Tendon. 20. The force generated by a contracting muscle is called A. Muscle tone. B. Muscle strength. C. Muscle tension. D. Muscle contraction. Answer. C. Muscle tension. 21. Which blood vessel returns deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart? A. Pulmonary vein. B. Aorta. C. Vena cava. D. Coronary artery. Answer. C. Vena cava. 22. Which chamber of the heart pumps blood to the lungs? A. Left atrium. B. Right atrium. C. Left ventricle. D. Right ventricle. Answer: D. Right ventricle. 23. Which part of the cardiac conduction system transmits impulses from the atria to the ventricles? A. SA node. B. AV node. C. Purkinje fibers. D. Bundle of His. Answer: D. Bundle of His. 24. Muscle fatigue is mainly caused by A. Lactic acid buildup. B. Lack of calcium. C. Excess oxygen. D. Excess ATP. Answer: A. Lactic acid buildup. 25. The tough outer connective tissue covering of the heart is called A. Endocardium. B. Myocardium. C. Pericardium. D. Epicardium. Answer: C. Pericardium. 26. Which ion triggers the release of neurotransmitters at the neuromuscular junction? A. Sodium. B. Potassium. C. Calcium. D. Chloride. Answer: C. Calcium. 27. Which of the following muscles is voluntary? A. Cardiac muscle. B. Smooth muscle. C. Skeletal muscle. D. None of the above. Answer: C. Skeletal muscle. 28. The smallest blood vessels where exchange of gases and nutrients occur are called A. Arteries. B. Veins. C. Capillaries. D. Venules. Answer: C. Capillaries. 29. Which muscle helps in flexion of the elbow joint? A. Triceps brachii. B. Biceps brachii. C. Deltoid. D. Pectoralis major. Answer: B. Biceps brachii. 30. What is the role of myoglobin in muscles? A. Store glucose. B. Store oxygen. C. Store calcium. D. Store fat. Answer: B. Store oxygen. 31. Which chamber of the heart has the thickest muscular wall? A. Right atrium. B. Right ventricle. C. Left atrium. D. Left ventricle. Answer: D. Left ventricle. 32. The lub sound of the heartbeat is caused by the closing of which valves? A. Semilunar valves. B. Atrioventricular valves. C. Pulmonary valves. D. Aortic valves. Answer: B. Atrioventricular valves. 33. Which muscle assists in opening the mouth? A. Masseter. B. Temporalis. C. Digastric. D. Sternocleidomastoid. Answer: C. Digastric. 34. Which protein filament forms the thick filament in muscle fibers? A. Actin. B. Myosin. C. Tropomyosin. D. Troponin. Answer: B. Myosin. 35. The term stroke volume refers to A. The number of heartbeats per minute. B. The amount of blood pumped by one ventricle per beat. C. The total blood volume in the body. D. The volume of blood returned to the heart. Answer: B. The amount of blood pumped by one ventricle per beat. 36. Which part of the nervous system controls voluntary muscle movements? A. Autonomic nervous system. B. Somatic nervous system. C. Parasympathetic nervous system. D. Sympathetic nervous system. Answer: B. Somatic nervous system. 38. The Frank-Starling law relates to A. Blood pressure regulation. B. Heart muscle stretch and contraction strength. C. Electrical conduction in the heart. D. Blood clotting. Answer: B. Heart muscle stretch and contraction strength. 39. The electrical activity of the heart can be recorded by A. MRI. B. ECG electrocardiogram. C. Ultrasound. D. X-ray. Answer: B. ECG electrocardiogram. 40. Which hormone increases heart rate and force of contraction? A. Insulin. B. Adrenaline epinephrine. C. Thyroxine. D. Cortisol. Answer: B. Adrenaline epinephrine. 41. Which connective tissue surrounds an entire muscle? A. Endomysium. B. Perimysium. C. Epimysium. D. Fascia. Answer: C. Epimysium. 42. Blood pressure is highest in A. Veins. B. Capillaries. C. Arteries. D. Venules. Answer: C. Arteries. 43. The role of the SA node is to A. Delay the electrical impulse. B. Initiate the heartbeat. C. Transmit impulses to the ventricles. D. Contract the ventricles. Answer B. Initiate the heartbeat. 44. Which muscle is responsible for extension of the knee? A. Hamstrings. B. Quadriceps femoris. C. Gastrocnemius. D. Gluteus maximus. Answer B. Quadriceps femoris. 45. Which blood vessel has the thinnest walls? A. Arteries. B. Veins. C. Capillaries. D. Arterioles. Answer C. Capillaries. 46. The first heart sound S1 corresponds to A. Closing of semilunar valves. B. Opening of AV valves. C. Closing of AV valves. D. Opening of semilunar valves. Answer C. Closing of AV valves. 47. Which ion influx causes muscle contraction? A. Sodium. B. Potassium. C. Calcium. D. Chloride. Answer C. Calcium. 48. The period of relaxation of the heart muscle is called A. Systole. B. Diastole. C. Tachycardia. D. Bradycardia. Answer B. Diastole. 49. Which muscle is known as the calf muscle? A. Tibialis anterior. B. Soleus. C. Gastrocnemius. D. Peroneus longus. Answer C. Gastrocnemius. 50. Which type of blood cell helps in clotting? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Plasma cells. Answer C. Platelets.